My people, I don't bring una matter from IGP. Hey, Nigeria no go kill us. Oh. Hey, one police woman now, as they talk to una don't carry belle, and the woman no marry. So now IGP don't come outside, come order. Say make they sack that woman. Say no one hear any story. Say they must sack her because she go carry belle outside marriage. And to make the matter worse, hey. Ekiti police spokesperson now don't come outside, join this force. And they support the fact, according to them, he say it is embarrassing for an unmarried police woman to get pregnant. My people, I don't know who Nigeria offend, but it's very, very serious. Embarrassing. Abeg, Mr. Wetin they call you, spokesperson. Embarrassing in what code of conduct? Make her first understand from this angle first. Which embarrassment dey here? Say person carry belle. Hi. Ungwanu, no, I no say e no right. If we look at from one angle, you understand? Say, okay, person normally suppose marry, then get children. Fine. But as this thing happen to this woman now, so make she can't kill herself because of you. Hi, Chineke. See, I dey think of something, but I don't know whether una go even agree with me. Una dey sure say these people never dey check this woman low key for that place where the woman no gree go give am to another man. Now waiting con dey pepper their body now. Because now anything fit happen. No. It's embarrassing for an unmarried pregnant woman to get. But e no dey embarrassing when a man will never marry impregnate woman. If policeman now impregnate woman outside, una go sack am. Because na woman. Now. See, e get many things where they go wrong for this country. See, definitely una no just kukuma dey get sense again. The sense don't change. Person private life now, how it take concern you? How it take concern you? I know so many of una now go dey tell me say, it's part of their rules and regulations, this one. It's part of their rules and regulations. But it's not part of their rules and regulations for the DPO himself. DPO, IGP, all of them to dey sleep around, even inside the same organization. That one no be, no, rules and regulations no follow for that one. Wetin una dey tell me? No, wetin una dey tell me wey I never hear before. Even for church, where they preach against pregnancy before marriage and all those things. If person carry pregnancy or wanted pregnancy for church, they no even dey chase am. Una be God, who una think say una be? Sometimes, see, I know say we suppose dey careful of the rules and many things. But see, anything wey concern police, my people, selfish reason dey inside. Now one that they see me, they talk the way they talk. Now matters wey una never hear. Now one that still sit down, they balance, they try, they reason this thing. If girls start, they come out, they confess publicly about things where they don't see from all these officers. Una go even cover una eye. IGP. Make I not even go inside that one matter because una go just hear another thing tomorrow. That one where I even see with my own eye like this. Make we leave that story for another time. See, every organization get their rules and regulations. You know understand? And if you no follow them, they go sack you. And normally, some organizations they way you not even supposed to date your fellow staff. That thing no day for police station. I don't know why I even waste my time. See, very soon, matter go come out. Update for this matter, it go soon come out. Una go just say, hey, now DPO even give the woman belle. They no fit hide them. Now why they just carry the woman sack am? So that see, no be Nigeria with the. If you not ask me, nothing like embarrassment here. I know they see any embarrassment for this place. Everybody get a choice. Some people decide to marry before they go get children. Some people not even want to marry again due to experiences, so they just want to get pikin. You understand? Some of them say not even want the marriage, they don't even want the pikin. See, everybody get their choice. So you know if you can't use your own, can't impose. If it be this thing will happen for this woman, if it be saying a mistake, Why una no dey put una self for person shoe? Una know whether na the breadwinner of a family? See, I dey argue for this case because I know say if na IGP wey this thing happen to, they no go sack am. He go look for excuse, but now because na another person, Charlie. My own be say abeg, hope say as una sack this woman, hope say una give her money. Wetin dey call am pension abi I no know, una wan understand police things. Because if it be say they no even pay am for the past 3 months. So Biko, at least give her money, make she go in peace. My sister, no worry. Another bigger job go even come. Even that police where they sack you from self, e good. I know, e get why they talk am. E good. Because I no even see how much you dey collect. They go even dey stress your life. They go, in fact, many things. Now here we dey. I no go even talk past this one. My people, no be small thing, no. I beg another interesting begin dey here. Chai. Underage raping, underage. In fact, I don't tire. My people, I don't bring in another matter wey happen now for Nigeria again. No, this one na Fatima Usman. This girl don't come outside, they narrate matter wey happen. Say her father been the raper. No be today, no be last month. Say the thing don't dey happen, like happen. Okay, now the day where this girl go just say she know they do, she go sleep outside. She go sleep. She dey stay with the father and the mother. Any day where the papa won't enter, where she say she no open, now outside she go sleep. And the father even threaten am say, if you open this your mouth, say he go use knife cut am into pieces. And all these things where they mention now, if they happen, the mother they see am, the mother they hear am, she know they bought that. Like nothing even touch the woman. I beg, make I no keep una time. You understand? I bring the video so I want make una whenever see this girl, very fine, beautiful girl. Biko, join me, make we watch the video.
My father has been sleeping with me for long, and whenever I try to say it, he threatened to kill me. Even sometimes before he sleep with me, he held knife, and he used to drive me out in the midnight if I refused to sleep with him. Sometimes I used to sleep outside. Like,
are you with your senses?
Yes, I'm with my senses.
2 plus 2.
4.
You are with your senses?
Yes.
You said your father is doing what?
He said he was sleeping with me.
Where were your mommy then?
She was at home.
At home?
Yes. Even though if my dad sent me out, she would just sleep inside out. She's not even sleep together. Okay. She sleep inside.
What did you want the government of Ondo State or the government of Nigeria to do for you now?
I want them to fight for my rights.
To fight for your rights. Okay. Thank you.
Chineke. My first wahala where I get now the interviewer. I don't understand this man. Which one can be are you in your right senses? Which one can be 2 plus 2? I don't understand. So now 2 plus 2 they determine person where they all right. When even mad person fit tell you 2 plus 2 na 4. Wow. Even they ask the girl, say, what do you want the government to do for you? No. She want the government to buy her shoe. Is it no protection? I don't understand. Some people just their mind they do me. Which kind of question? Now they see person they talk serious matter. This one they bring exam questions. Bros, last, be like saying now you not even come there with your right senses. Oh. See what happen to this girl, my people. Some parents don't deserve to get children. Some parents no deserve. I know. Hey, Charlie. See, it get many people when no go make heaven. I know they swear for anybody. I know they insult anybody. Now just the fact that they talk like this. Many parents they no go make heaven. Imagine after people they cry, go see people for church. Go churches, see where people they kneel down. Some people even they sleep for church. They carry their pillow. They carry their mattress. They sleep for church all in the name of fruit of the womb. Now you, this woman, you even be the most foolish person for this case. You sit down there for the same house where your daughter they go all through all this nonsense. You still no open. Hi, Chineke. When if now another woman, that man for don't die. She go either poison the food or see. No. Now they think this thing two ways. Madam, what did they call your name? Fatima. Dear Fatima, you know so you be fine girl, but Biko, listen to me now. You need to sit down, this man and this woman, not alone no, before they cut your neck. Make sure say people they there. Ask them, who be your real father? Ask that one, who be your real mother? You understand? Because the thing, no, I don't even fake calculator for my brain. How your real mother go there, they do this thing. Now they say this one, I don't know whether to call her witchcraft. I don't know which I go even call her. If I be God, you get many people where they go just dey barren for life. Because I don't already see say this one, they can't waste my own, you understand, resources. Wetin be all this wickedness everywhere? Wetin I don't just dey understand. Which sweetness una dey feel? Abeg una wey dey rape una children, blood. Wetin be the sweet thing wey dey inside that thing? And this thing don dey common for Nigeria now. Fathers go dey rape small children since when they small, and they no go fit talk till they become teenagers because they dey fear. Nobody go fit talk. You no fit come outside. They don threa ten you. Wetin you want make she do? This thing dey happen every day, and I dey sure say no be only this girl dey go through this thing. Many of them dey there, but they dey afraid to come outside. E no go be see if you like talk say I dey swear for now, but I dey talk am today. E no go better if you know say you be father, mother, wey you dey treat your children anyhow or other people children. E no go better for you. No, I dey very very serious, and I don talk am and e go happen. And government, you seriously need to look inside this matter. Because this thing go kill many people. Now why today we dey see young boys or young girls, you dey wonder say this one dey mad abi na from generational problem. Una no know the kind things wey people dey go through every day. No, na the mama own even shock me. That one, forget. The father wey dey rape the pikin, we don already dey used to am. E dey happen, you understand? But the mother own, that one, forget am. The thing just burst everywhere. Madam, if you dey watch me now, because I know say you dey watch me. You see as I dey laugh. Very soon you go enter street. You no go wear slipper, you no go wear anything. How dey call those people? No be for my mouth, una go hear am. My people, na many things wey dey happen. I say make I bring this one for una. Because this girl now, she dey in serious pain, serious danger. And una need protect am. Bia interviewer, abi newscaster wey you come outside dey ask mumu questions. Hope say after all these mumu questions wey dey ask, hope say you go provide security. Government, ejo, I dey beg. Please protect this lady from that man. Because anything fit happen. May we no wake up tomorrow now come hear say Fatima Usman don die. My people, na the matter wey I say make I bring for una. So I still want to know wetin una think. As usual, drop am for the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video so that you go dey notified anytime we drop new ones. Don't go far, guys. I'll see you later.